Excited for the Axe, the rivalry, everything else, the border battle. I know our guys have been jazzed all week, especially our Minnesota players. But what's kind of amazed me all the way through this whole thing is, my first year here, I'm coming in. Here's a kid I'm from Illinois. I played at Iowa, coached a couple different schools. When I came in here, I was amazed at the knowledge that our kids had of the rivalry, whether they're from Wisconsin, Minnesota. It's kind of neat to see all of our kids. Florida, Ohio, Michigan, wherever they're from, they all get into this week, and it's been pretty fun to be a part of it. And obviously, our kids are excited for Saturday. So when you're going into this game, you can take all the records, all the past experiences, and throw them out the window. It's really just about who plays well on Saturday. I think we've taken the field since I've been here, maybe with a team that's on paper a lot better, and has been really close, and vice versa. I think that our kids understand that Saturday we're going to get an effort out of Minnesota that has been be better than anything they put on film to this point, and be more engaged and more energized than anything we've seen. Well, the Axe is displayed in their locker room, so obviously if a kid's from Minnesota, you talk about it. But a lot of times when we're just going through a general presentation, you'll show video footage of it. Different things to stress it. It's something that we talk about in the out of season as well as not just during the Axe week. One of the things I learned from Coach Alvarez is appreciating that once you win that Axe, you win it for an entire year. It's a trophy. It's a symbol of a win, not just for us and our team, but for our fan base and for our state.
And you showed them this week the video of 03 when Minnesota took the Axe. How did they react to that?
Yeah, it was, again, Coach Strickland, part of his presentation. It was the way he ended it. I think a lot of people thought it was probably going to be his touchdown. Strick scored that baby, and I didn't know what it was going to be, but he did the same thing last year. And there is no feeling ever like seeing someone come across your sideline and take something that's yours or that you've had ownership in for a year. So I thought that was a great way to symbolize and make sure our guys understand the importance.